Welcome to our video. Today, we're diving into a world of mystery and allure. Abandoned classic cars. These forgotten vehicles left to the ravages of time hold untold stories of their once glorious past. As we journey through desolate roads and eerie junkyards, we'll uncover the hidden beauty and nostalgic charm of these classic machines. Join us as we explore the fascinating world of abandoned classic cars and the secrets they hold. Government auctions of abandoned classic cars are fascinating and meaningful events where vintage vehicles that are no longer in use are auctioned off to car enthusiasts. These cars often carry historical and cultural value, representing a bygone era. The event not only helps free up space in government storage facilities, but also provides an opportunity for classic car lovers to own and restore these vehicles. Restoring these cars is not just a hobby. It's a way to preserve cultural heritage, bringing joy to those involved. By participating in the auction, buyers have the chance to own a unique car and take part in its restoration, bringing these mechanical works of art back to life. The event draws interest from a wide range of people, from seasoned collectors to newcomers, creating a lively and exciting atmosphere. The idea of a 1948 Ford truck with a flathead V8 engine starting up after 56 years of inactivity is both intriguing and challenging, filled with anticipation. To bring this classic vehicle back to life, a thorough inspection is essential. The fuel system, battery, and other components need careful examination, as years of disuse could have led to damage or deterioration. This truck is more than just a vehicle. It's a symbol of a bygone era, carrying stories and memories within its metal frame. After 56 years of sitting idle, starting it up might be tricky due to accumulated dirt, rust, and other environmental factors. However, these very challenges make the restoration journey all the more captivating. A junkyard may not just be a place to store broken items. It can also be a treasure trove worth up to $400,000 for its contents. This highlights the immense potential in old items that many might consider worthless. In today's context, reusing and recycling materials from junkyards not only conserve resources, but also contribute to environmental protection. Old items, when refurbished or repurposed, can become unique and useful products. Additionally, scavenging for old items in junkyards is becoming a popular trend, especially among DIY enthusiasts and those who enjoy restoring furniture. They not only look for things that can be repaired, but also explore the creative possibilities in items that seem to have outlived their usefulness. South Dakota is a fantastic destination for those who love uncovering rusty treasures, especially on classic car tours. Here, you'll get to admire hundreds of old vehicles, from Ford and Mopar to GM models, each with its own story waiting to be discovered. One of the highlights of this tour is Elmer's Auto Graveyard, where many classic cars are preserved, creating a nostalgic and captivating scene. Additionally, King Ziegler's Car Farm is another must-visit, rough with its vast 30-acre area, attracting restoration enthusiasts from all over the world. These tours not only offer a chance to learn about the history of classic cars, but also provide an exciting experience as you witness the unique beauty of these treasures firsthand. The 1979 Cadillac, a symbol of luxury and class, was found in a junkyard, now a rusty gold with immense potential. Although its exterior appears severely damaged, covered in rust, classic car enthusiasts see its hidden beauty. The Cadillac DeVille models from the 70s are not only known for their refined design, but also stand as icons of a golden era in American automotive history. Finding such a car in this condition not only evokes memories of its illustrious past, but also opens up the possibility of restoration and rebirth for this mechanical masterpiece. With the right care and dedication, this Cadillac could return to the streets, continuing to tell its story and draw admiring glances from car lovers. Classic cars like this are more than just vehicles. They are cultural heritage, testament to the evolution of technology and design through the ages. In a scrapyard, 3 Pontiac Fieros from 1985, 1986, and 1988 lie abandoned, bearing the marks of time. These cars, now little more than rust-covered junk, reflect the wear and tear they've endured over the years. Though their appearance might cause many to overlook them, for enthusiasts of this sporty line, these are hidden treasures. The Pontiac Fiero, with its sporty design and powerful engine, once symbolized innovation in the automotive industry. Today, these cars can be restored or salvaged for their valuable parts. Enthusiasts often seek out parts manuals to order genuine GM components, aiming to breathe new life into these rust buckets. Additionally, there are many social media groups, particularly on Facebook, where members share information, buy and sell parts, and form a close-knit community united by their passion for the Pontiac Fiero. The Mini Cooper John Cooper Works is one of the most exciting sports cars on the market today, and Copart is an ideal place to find these vehicles. At Copart, you can discover a variety of Mini Cooper John Cooper Works models in different conditions, ranging from nearly new cars to those that require some repairs. This offers buyers a wide range of options to suit their budget and needs. If you're looking for a high-performance car with a unique design, the Mini Cooper John Cooper Works at Copart will not disappoint. Additionally, there are also used and restored vehicles available, allowing you to save money while still owning a quality car. With many options in terms of condition and price, Copart is truly the perfect destination for Mini Cooper enthusiasts looking to find a car that matches their preferences. The question of whether the van can save the unicorn touches on various intriguing aspects of modern culture. One notable animated film, Thelma the Unicorn, tells the story of a unicorn's adventures and the challenges she faces. In the film, the van could be seen as a symbol of aid and support, but whether it truly saves the unicorn remains an open-ended question, sparking curiosity among viewers. Nestled in the heart of the Georgia mountains lies a magical place called Old Car City, where time seems to stand still among the vintage automobiles. As you step into this space, you'll be captivated by the raw beauty of cars that once roamed the roads. This massive lot is not just a resting place for old vehicles, it's an open-air museum where you can explore rare models, from classic cars to trucks that once served on construction sites. The surrounding landscape, covered in lush greenery, creates a stunning natural backdrop, making the exploration even more enchanting. Old Car City attracts not only car enthusiasts, but also photography lovers and explorers seeking a unique experience. The 2001 Chevy Cavalier, once a symbol of style and performance in the early 21st century, has officially been retired due to severe deterioration. Over the years, the car has witnessed countless journeys and memorable moments, from city cruises to long-distance trips. However, with time, its parts have started to fail. The engine no longer runs efficiently, and many components need replacement. The 2001 Chevy Cavalier will forever be remembered as part of the past, a testament to the memories and experiences it provided. While it may no longer be on the streets, its legacy will live on in the hearts of those who once owned and cherished it. Buying a car without a key can pose several risks to consumers. The absence of a key not only complicates starting the vehicle, but can also lead to high costs for replacement or creating a new key. This is particularly true when purchasing cars from auction companies like Copart, where many damaged vehicles often come without keys. Buyers should be prepared for potential surprises, as complete information about the vehicle's condition is not always available. Those who have experienced buying cars from Copart often mention that the lack of clear information about the vehicle's status is a crucial factor to consider before making a purchase. Therefore, if you're considering buying a car without a key, make sure you've weighed all the factors and are prepared for any potential risks. Welcome back to Part 2 from Pawnee City, Nebraska, where a major auction took place with around 300 classic cars and trucks up for sale. Currently, the loading of vehicles is in full swing, with cars being stacked and driven out of the auction area. Mr. Goodpliers and Joe are back to fill a truck and a trailer. Don't forget to follow the tour of the U-Pull Junkyard recycling area, as well as the unloading process at Rust Ranch. Classic cars hold a special allure for automotive enthusiasts, especially in Brazil. Among the popular classic models are notable names like the Opala, Corcel, Fusca, and F1000. The Corcel, with its elegant design, has captivated many with its comfort and convenience. The F1000, a robust truck, has proven its exceptional capability in transporting goods. Additionally, regular classic car gatherings offer enthusiasts a chance to mingle, share experiences, and showcase their valuable vehicles. These events feature not only famous models like the Ford Galaxy and Dodge Dart, but also a variety of other cars, painting a diverse picture of the country's automotive culture. Vehicle auctions for abandoned or seized cars are exciting events where people have the chance to purchase these vehicles at affordable prices. Auctions often take place in major cities or through online platforms. For example, Baltimore provides detailed listings of car auctions, including up-to-date information on dates and available vehicle types. Similarly, Tacoma hosts online car auctions, allowing participants to bid remotely, which is convenient for those looking to acquire a vehicle at a bargain price. These events not only help clear space in parking lots, but also offer opportunities for many individuals to find a new vehicle. We've explored the captivating world of abandoned classic cars and discovered the unique beauty they possess. While these vehicles may now sit in silence, they each carry a story and a piece of history from a bygone era. The marks of time, neglect, and potential restoration add to their charm and allure. We hope today's video has brought you closer to the world of classic cars and ignited your passion for exploration. Don't forget to subscribe and hit the notification bell to stay updated on our latest videos. Thanks for watching.